Hi everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and if you are looking for a heavy-duty stand mixer for your kitchen that's going to have a lot of amazing features, I highly suggest you check out this Zacme stand mixer. First of all, the stand mixer is beautiful, so it's going to look great out on your kitchen counters, and it also has this easy to use tilt head design, and of course it comes with all the attachments you need, so like this whisk attachments, and guys, it has a light. When you use it, it has an LED light that turns on so you can actually see what you're doing. That is an amazing feature. The whisk attachment works great for whipping up cream, meringue, or as you can see here, just whipping up bananas super quickly. The attachments that it comes with are also really heavy duty. I mean, they're not lightweight or cheap at all. You also get this great cover so that your flour doesn't fly out. Another amazing attachment is this little pour feature, so you can easily incorporate all your liquid ingredients. And then when you're ready to add in your flour ingredients, just lift up your head and add everything in, and look how easily it incorporates everything for these banana muffins I'm making. And when you want to incorporate something like nuts and you want to fold it in, you can also put it on the slowest setting and it folds perfectly. You also get this heavy metal dough hook that actually reaches to the edge of the bowl, as you can see, so you won't really have to be scraping. This mixer has a high capacity and a metal body, so you are definitely going to be able to whip out big batches of whatever you're making. Here is the round button that controls the speed, and you also have a timer feature, so you can set how long you want it to mix for. The brand also sells attachments you can buy, and of course this stainless steel bowl is super well made, fits right in, and you even have suction cups on the bottom so that it won't be sliding around your counter. This stand mixer is now a staple in my kitchen. It can do so much and it has so many features that just makes your life easier. So I highly recommend checking it out. I think you're gonna love it too, but that's just my point of view.